Welcome back to How to Steer. In the last video, we talked about Steer's first feature, remote mode. Now I want to take you a step up to the next autonomous feature, home garage mode. Home garage mode takes everything you know about remote mode and does it for you at your home. All you have to do is pull up in front of your garage, comfortably exit the car, and select home garage mode in the Steer app. If you have a compatible garage door, this is where you will select it. If not, open your garage door, and once the door is opened, hit start in the app. The car will pull forward, navigating into the garage. It will watch for boxes and other obstacles, turning slightly to avoid them. Once the car detects the back wall, it will park and send a notification that parking is complete, and you can now close your garage door. To have your car exit the garage, you'll just need to follow the same steps. If at any point you want to stop the car during home garage mode, all you have to do is press the red stop button in the app or open any door on the vehicle. Home garage mode is a great tool for unloading bulky items or after a grocery run. It also makes getting the family in and out of the car much easier. For those of us with smaller garages, this is also a great way to avoid banging the doors and mirrors against other cars or the walls. Connected, compatible garages will also send you an alert if it senses the car is running while the garage door is closed. Home garage mode makes coming home or getting out of the door even easier. Your car can be ready and waiting for you when you leave on a cold morning, or shorten the walk on a rainy day, and just help you save some extra time. In addition to remote mode, home garage mode is free for all Steer users to use. No questions asked. In the next video, we are going to get into the most versatile features Steer has to offer, valet mode. Stick around to see how we take the basic ideas we've talked about in these videos and apply them to almost any parking environment. Thanks for watching.